In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find my PayPal ID. Your PayPal ID, also known as your merchant ID, is a unique identifier for your account. It's often used when you're setting up payments on a website, connecting to an online store, or sharing your details with a service that needs to receive or send you money without exposing your email address. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step through the PayPal website so you can quickly locate that ID and know exactly where to find it in the future. First, open your web browser and go to the PayPal website. Sign into your account if you aren't already logged in. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your PayPal dashboard, sometimes called the account summary page. This is the main page where you can see your balance, recent activity, and shortcuts to send or request money. Now, look at the very top right corner of the page. You should see a small gear icon, usually next to the log out option. That gear icon is your settings button. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to the settings area for your account, where you can manage things like your profile, security, and other account preferences. Inside the settings page, take a moment to notice the different sections available. You're looking for the area related to your account options or account details. This is where PayPal groups information about your account type and identifiers that are connected to it. You don't need to change anything here. You just need to locate a specific label. Scroll through this section until you find something called Merchant ID. It may be grouped together with other account identifiers, so read carefully. Directly beneath the Merchant ID label, you'll see a long string of letters and numbers. That string is your PayPal ID. You can highlight it and copy it if you need to paste it somewhere else, like into an online store setup, a form, or a support ticket. Be sure to keep this ID in a safe place and only share it with trusted services, just as you would with other sensitive account details. And that's it. By going to your dashboard, opening the settings with the gear icon, navigating to the account options section, and locating the merchant ID label,